Continuing along the Cornish coast, we head for Falmouth. This is our first time in Falmouth, and I must say, we were really impressed by the place. People were really helpful and kind and so friendly. It's like everybody would just take time to have a little chat. This is so Cornish. I just love it. Falmouth has a long history and a marvellous reputation for being an aid to mariners of all types.
If you're ever in Falmouth, you must visit the National Maritime Museum. This place is stunning.
We had fun. It was a really interesting afternoon. In fact, we saw 2 of our old boats in there.
For all of you sailors out there who go on about, I haven't got a big enough boat to cross the Atlantic, this particular gentleman here crossed the Atlantic in this little boat here. Now look at this. The length is 5 foot 4.5 inches, and he crossed the Atlantic in 105 days. During the process, he lost 15 kilograms in weight. No excuses. Built in the 1930s out of 1/4 inch mahogany, and this little thing would do 50 miles an hour with only space to kneel in. No clutch. Once you started, you were in forward gear. The reason I'm filming this particular boat is it is an albatross, which was the Birmingham Water Ski Club's ski boat, which I learnt to water ski behind. We had the Mark II with the Copper Climax engine in. We later bought a Simmons motor yacht ourselves. But great to see your old boats in a museum. This beautiful little boat here is called Shush, and look how small it is. It was built in Teignmouth, my home port almost, with a lovely single cylinder engine in. What a beautiful piece of engineering. Cheers! Here's to the holiday pint.
Cheers!
I said, God damn, that's good. After leaving Pendennis Marina, we took a short trip up the River Fell to find the visitors' pontoon. Active charts make it easy to follow the narrow passage upriver. The pontoon we stayed at is here circled in red. Here we are, one of 10 yachts moored up for the Moody Owners Southwest Rally. It's the first time I've been up the River Fell, but I'm just amazed at the amount of beautiful wildlife.
I don't believe there is a cuter creature than a cygnet. So adorable. Please, just watch this. It's amazing. We've been fishing completely wrong. Quietly, stealthily, creep up on the fish.
Saw a few of the small tenders take a trip up the River Fal.
On arrival, our friends were offered a cream tea and a glass or two of something yummy. Later, we all piled into a riverboat ferry and headed to the local pub for dinner. A cocktail or two is always a good way to while away the hours on a rainy afternoon, and watch an amazing Cornish sunset. Join us next time as we continue with our westward journey to the Isles of Scilly. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future episodes. Thank you.